Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make vegetable rice in one pot. It's a healthy and easy recipe that's quick to make. As you can see, there are very few ingredients. I'm using basmati rice. Any long grain white rice is perfect for this recipe. Wash the rice and drain it. For the vegetables, I've got carrots cut into chunks, green beans cut up, chopped red onion, cilantro, which is optional. You can definitely substitute frozen mixed vegetables or other fresh vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and green peas. For the spices, cumin seeds, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom, star anise, and cloves, ground turmeric, and a little chili powder. Heat up a pan and add ghee or oil. Put the cumin seeds in, then the bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom, star anise, and cloves. Stir for about 30 seconds until you smell them. Add the chopped onion and cook for a minute. The green beans next and carrots. Mix that up. Add ground turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Stir and cook for a minute until the raw flavor of the turmeric goes away. Now add the drained rice. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in water. Cover the pot and bring up to a boil. Once it's boiling, stir it again. Cover the pot and turn the heat to medium-low. Cook 10 to 13 minutes. Check and see if all the water is absorbed. It is, and the rice is cooked. If you like the rice softer, turn the heat off and leave the pot covered for a few minutes. Add chopped cilantro, and one pot vegetable rice is ready. The recipe link is right below this video in the description section. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.